Welcome to 20 Car. Close your eyes and imagine the perfect storm, lightning fast, roaring with untamed power, and breathtakingly beautiful. That's the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan, an Italian masterpiece sculpted to conquer roads and hearts alike. Appearance characteristics. The Huracan's design looks like it was stolen from the future. Angular lines slice through the air, while its hexagonal exhaust tips roar with authority. Those dazzling Y-shaped daytime running lights? They're like a Lamborghini signature in neon ink, ensuring no one mistakes this beast for anything else. Internal dashboard magic. Inside, the Huracan feels more like a spaceship than a car. The digital cockpit wraps around the driver, featuring a customizable 12.3-inch display. Carbon fiber details paired with luxurious leather make every inch of the interior feel exotic, and the intuitive infotainment system is just as much brain as it is beauty. Technical brilliance. A naturally aspirated V10 engine propels this machine with 640 horsepower of raw adrenaline. 0 to 100 kilometers height happens in a blistering 2.9 seconds, blink, and you'll miss it. The AWD system ensures unparalleled traction, whether you're tackling sharp curves or straight stretches. Competitors. Its fiercest rivals include the Ferrari F8 Tributo and the McLaren Artura, but the Huracan's charm lies in its iconic legacy and unmatched charisma. Price and ownership costs. Expect a starting price of $250,000. Maintenance and insurance are as premium as the car itself, but its stunning depreciation curve ensures it remains a collector's favorite. Driving experience. Driving the Huracan feels like taming a hurricane. It's wild, thrilling, and utterly unforgettable. The roar of the engine alone is worth every penny. Advantages and disadvantages. Pros: jaw-dropping design, mind-blowing performance, and that sweet Lamborghini heritage. Cons: it's not exactly fuel efficient, and repairs demand a small fortune.